Hello and welcome to LIBS 301 Week 2. This week we will be looking at the information literacy step of identify. For this week, for our to-do list, we have for required materials to look through our Week 2 instructor video, which is this video you are watching now, a YouTube video on how to write a strong research question for research papers, another video which is just creating keywords, and finally, a YouTube video of navigating the Bishop Mueller Library's website. For supplemental and non-required materials to look through, we have a video on how to develop a strong research question, a short article on writing strong research questions, and a research question and keywords worksheet. So again, the supplemental materials are not required, but it's just an additional way to give that information to you. We also have one assignment due, which is our research question and keywords discussion post. This week for our terms and concepts, we have first research question, which is a question used to guide the research and direction of an academic paper. This helps to answer the question, why should we care about this topic when it's posed? Then we have keywords, which are words or phrases that describe a topic and which can be used in searches either in a library database or on an internet search engine. Now let's look at our information literacy concept. So this week we are looking at the step of identify, which is the first step listed here on our graph. So identify again is determining what information is needed and why. And we will be using this for our research questions and keywords post for this week, but last week we did also use this identify step when we selected our topic selection. Now for the assignment of developing a research question and keywords list. So materials that will really help you with this assignment in our required materials is the how to write a strong research question for research papers, which is a YouTube video from Smart Student. This walks you through how to develop a really strong question that will help you guide your research as we go through those next steps. We also have the video from Norwich Library of creating keywords, which will really help to kind of figure out how to develop keywords and create that list that you guys will be using and building upon throughout your research. Now on the additional and optional materials that you guys can also look through, we have a really nice video from Scribr, which is how to develop a strong research question. Same kind of concept as the Smart Student video, just presented in a little bit different of a way. And then we also have the associated web page from Scribr, which is writing strong research questions, criteria, and examples. So for this week, our to-do list. So first we need to look through our required materials, so our Week 2 instructor video, our YouTube video from the Smart Student of how to write a strong research question for research papers, our YouTube video from the Norwich Library of creating keywords, and the YouTube video from the Bishop Mueller Library of navigating the library's website. For supplemental and non-required materials to look through, we have a research question and keywords worksheet, which will guide you guys through the steps of creating a research question, as well as a list of keywords. Again, this is an optional worksheet. You don't need to fill it out, but it might help guide you as you guys go through this assignment. We also have the YouTube video from Scribr of how to develop a strong research question, as well as that online article that connects to it. So for the assignments that are due this week, we have our research questions and keywords post. So you're going to be creating a research question and keyword list based on your selected topic from week 1. Again, there is a worksheet available to guide you, but it's not required. But again, kind of helpful as you guys work through this. So the initial post is going to be due on Thursday, and you will need to respond to your classmates on Sunday. And make sure you're responding to 2 of your classmates for full points. Again, if you have any questions, make sure you guys are reaching out to me. You can always email me, alexis.becker@briarcliff.edu, or you can set up a one-on-one meeting with me either virtually or in person. And I hope you guys have a great week.